Hey guys, thanks for joining me on Renegade Thrifter. So on today's episode, I want to talk to you about our Class C RV. So if you've been watching my videos, or if you're new here, I've created videos, over 300 videos, about selling on eBay, about buying items, not only at liquidation pallet places, but also at thrift stores, yard sales, and how to go ahead and flip them and create a part-time or full-time income. So one of the things my wife did and I, in the last 2 months, we bought a Class C RV. It's a 1996 Ford Leprechaun, and we knew when we bought it that it needed to have some work. We wanted to live in it pretty quick, so we had to do some repairs. First thing we did, and I wish I would have had this on video, but we had to repair the front area because there was some water damage. So we had to get out everything and put it back together, make it livable. And it took us about a week, but we did it to a point to where we felt happy with it. But there is some items that need to be fixed a little bit more on there, as you see here. My wife was able to put some temporary curtains on here that we're going to be fixing up. We also did some vinyl flooring in the bedroom area. But what I'm working on today in this video is about replacing the floor here in the living room slash kitchen area. So if you see here, I already started pulling the carpet, and it is an ugly, like aqua blue color. And all I'm doing here is I'm cutting it off along the edges. I did pull one of the sitting benches. Eventually, we're thinking about possibly pulling this one and putting some captain's chairs. One of the challenges we have is the seat belts, because I know those are going to be in there pretty tight. It looks like the nuts and bolts there are corroded on there, so I'm going to have to let them sit in WD-40. And I'm going to pull this off here, and we're going to replace it with some vinyl, but it's not going to be wooden floor. It's going to be wooden effect on vinyl. And the reason we decided to do that for now, it's cheap, it's effective, and we have three furry friends living with us. We have 3 dogs, 3 small dogs, and for us it just made sense. So I'm going to be creating another video of the finished project, so be sure to come back and check this out on my channel, Renegade Thrifter. If you haven't done so yet, be sure to subscribe so you can catch all my videos, and I'll see you next time.